Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iMessage activation error on your Apple device. So guys, if you're trying to activate your iMessage on your Apple device but you're facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first hold drag on your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open settings in your device and then you have to simply scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, simply do this and after this scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time, and then tap on language and region and then tap on region and select your country or region correctly, and then tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN, and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset, and from here tap on reset network settings and reset your network settings for one time as well. And after this, go back and check if your problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then restart your device for one time as well. So guys, simply restart your device and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.